Mike with Innovative Door. We're going to replace this old car wash opener here. You can see this is a before video. And there's the trolley and this door. And this is the car wash. We're going to put in a new waterproof machine in here. We're going to change out some of these wheels that are just tragically just disintegrated here from the water. Then we're going to put in some more sealed 13 ball wheels. And here's what we're going to be putting in right here. The car wash opener from LiftMaster. Show you a quick little sneak preview of it. There it is. That's what's going in today. So car wash garage door openers by Innovative Door. 630-271-9343. Visit us online at www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Part 2 is coming up of the finished product of the LiftMaster car wash garage door opener. And as always, I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching.